The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Now this is supreme marvelous. Look at this old lady riding a motorcycle to church. Yeah man, this look nice. She has set a good example. She have on her plate. She ride pretty decent. So we don't have nothing bad to say, grandma. Yeah, grandma, you're the road. Oh, you mean, grandma, where your helmet there?
You're coming here.
Oh, you mean, take it easy. How long time you ride, not true?
3 years now.
3 years? Boy, you bother me.
5 for my birthday.
You buy it for your birthday? Grandma, you look nice.
Let me walk too much.
Oh, you mean, makes sense. Take it easy, grandma.
Thank you.
Alright.
Wow. An elderly lady riding a motorcycle. That's amazing. That is amazing, yeah? Wow. You see, she for wear a helmet though. Yeah, wear your helmet. You see what I say? Alright, big up and respect to each and everyone. Dancehall skilla is here again, you see it? Alright, so I have more videos that I'm going to present to you, and I just presented to you a video that shows an elderly lady riding a motorcycle. I think it's amazing, you know? What do you think? Let me know what you think about that video, viewers and subscribers, alright? Now I'm going to move on to another video. Alright, now the next video I'm going to present to you, I do not know exactly where or when this video had been recorded, but this video shows what happened after a motor vehicle scratched a motor vehicle. Yeah, like one motor vehicle scratched another motor vehicle, you see me? And an argument developed between two motorists who was driving those motor vehicles, you see me? Now, I want you to take a look at this video and tell me who you think was wrong, viewers and subscribers, you see me? Alright? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe with me.
Trying to understand, dog. Watch me. How? What you are is that? What you are trying to break this man, dog? How? Tell me how you go manage to do that. Come in, watch out where the vehicle is. You are not, look at how much road you have here. Look at how much road you have here.
What time did we scrape you? Will you hear something?
If you scrape me, you'll hear something, man. If you're driving a vehicle, you see this? You're supposed to be looking through. King, look at where you are. This is the center of the road here. Look what happening there. You see why he's trying to avoid you? You see what's going on there? We'll pull aside now, brother. Because that's how to pay for. Right? Respect. How we were? Say some shopping. Say some shopping. Please say some shopping. I'm not violent, brother. Don't fear for your life. But say something dotish to explain this fuckery here. Please. How, boy? How? Fuck, boy, how?
Alright, so in the video, I saw two motor vehicles. One black and one grey. You see, the motorist who was driving the grey motor vehicle, I think that motorist was wrong. In my point of view, the grey motor vehicle was not positioned properly on the road. See? So I think that that motorist was wrong at that time. You see? Alright, so let me know what you think about that video, and with that I'm going to move on to another video. The next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a person who said some things that gave me the understanding that he explained why he is single. People, let me know what you think about the things that this person said, alright? Now here's the video, take a look and observe.
I have been in 5 relationships. 3 of the women that I have been with have aborted my pregnancies. One of them aborted the pregnancy so she could get pregnant by another man who was a police officer and who had more money than me. The second one aborted the pregnancy because I was a nerd, and the third one aborted the pregnancy because she was told by a friend that I did not want a child, which she stupidly believed. My last relationship, I lost my son because my ex's parents didn't like me due to the fact that I am a geek and I love video games and stuff like that. I am single because I am tired of being stereotyped, and I am tired of something in my country that is called classism. So, yeah, that's why I'm single.
Okay, well, I have been in relationships as well, you see me I say, but take it from me, one day, the right one will come along. Yeah, the right one will come along, you know. I just saw it go, you see me I say. Jano, people, let me know what you think about the things that this person said in that video that I just presented to you. And with that, I'm going to move on to another video. And the next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a Jamaican musician who goes by the name of Khago talking about money. See, viewers and subscribers, I don't really want to give away the surprise or some of the things that Khago said in this video, but let me know if you agree or if you disagree with the things that he said. All right, here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Let me tell you something, man. Or suck on yourself and listen to me. Me know you go work for your 9 to 5 and you feel say, yo, go work in the little money or that are the hard part of money business. Because money business me involved. Me not music again or farming and raising chicken, you know, me in a money business. The hardest part of the job when it comes to the money thing is to keep your money in your pocket. You hear? Because you have all your wife for your yard. And just because the money want run out of your pocket, it make you go buy crutches. You have all the money and it tell you say, yo, go buy Louis Vuitton and then type of sitting there for impress your fake friend them and not even like you. Impress people who not even like you. You have your car already and money and tell you say, yo, go buy your next new car. It's hard to keep money. I try to tell you, you know. So I like girl them we say me mean, you know, keeping no catches. I not supposed to pay me for sex too. And that me I try to tell you, no, to, you know, catches, you know. I girl them turn up me thing. Mother road, God. Hey, in money business rough, you know that. You think it easy if you keep money in your clothes? I joke, man, girl from you look good and nice. You know, get that pass, you know. But you know, a deal I just me talk how me want to talk. But suck on yourself if you don't want vex too. Your mouth long enough, like a giraffe, or your neck long enough with the mouth, you can turn it down so and suck yourself. Get back to your money business. You know the amount of time I have around $10,000 in my pocket. I mean, no want nothing in a shop. But the money carry me go out of shop and say, spend it. Then if you start put some live man pan the money them too, you know, because they look at dirty madman pan the pan. Them no want to see we keep the money, them are the spirit, you know, mama. We are juke you, you know. I carry go all down and hack you, you know. Eh? Eh? You have one little 10 grand, mama, you go out pan the arcade for go buy one little headband and you make you buy one slippers, not true? Hmm? You dirty money. But me have a trick for you, man. Me have a trick for you. Yo, anytime me have you in my life again, me just carry you go a one little place and vex with you. Eh? Me go vex with you. Eh? I'll bring my car keep $1 in my pocket. Eh? Bring my way if you go put padlock on the money, you know.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, apart from the harsh languages, some of the things that Khago said, I agree with some of the things that he said about money. Yeah, about the money part. You know, sometimes you have a lump sum of money in your pocket. You go on the road, and when you come back, all half of that gone. See, some of the times I wonder, why is it that money can't stay with you certain ways? You see what I say? So, to make sure that money is always with me, you see me, I work hard and invest in our business and all these things. You understand? Yeah, because that's how it going on. You see me? You have the money and if you keep it put on just like that, I don't think it's going to grow. That's my opinion, you know. I don't think it's going to grow. So investing in our business, I think that's the best way to make sure that you always have money. That's how I look at things, you see me? So I understand some of the things that Khago said about money, not about the harsh languages, but about the money. You see what I say? And you, my viewers and subscribers, can let me know what you think about some of the things that Khago said. You see? Alright, so I just presented to you some videos that are being talked about on social media. You know, I presented those videos to you because they are being talked about on social media. You don't know me, Dancehall skilla. I'm only there to keep you up to date and posting and let you know what's going on. Alright? Alright, so If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Yeah, so here's where I'm gonna leave it. So big up and respect, and my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.